Myself, Narayana Reddy. I am from Math YouTube channel. Today, in this class, I am explaining about cuboid and cube. So, what is meant by cuboid? What is meant by cube? These are most important. But how to find the volume, surface area, total surface area of the cuboid and the cube? For that, we want to know about that. Okay. Now, cuboid. What is meant by cuboid? A cuboid is nothing but three-dimensional figure. This is most important which you have to observe. Means which is three-dimensional. A cuboid is nothing but a three-dimensional geometrical figure. Why this geometrical can be used? Volume. What is the volume of this one? Surface area of this one. So for those we want to explain now. Take a figure. Actually, this is a rectangle, This is rectangle, which is two-dimensional. Generally, this is two-dimensional. Because what is two-dimensional, what three-dimensional? Is nothing but a two-dimensional, nothing but which contains only two lengths, two measurements, that is length and breadth. That's all. Three-dimensional means which contains three dimensions, three measurements, that is length, breadth, height. That's all. That's the difference between two dimension, three dimension. Don't worry about that. Okay? So two dimensions is nothing but two dimensions. Three dimensions is nothing but three dimensions. That's all. Dimension is nothing but measurement. Okay. So this is what rectangle. This is two dimensional. Okay. Now I want to convert this into three dimensional. How to convert? That is, take this one. Okay, see here, this is length, breadth, height. So these are three dimensions are there for this one. So the number one is length, breadth, height. Okay, three dimensional. How many faces are there? Bottom, top. Bottom, top. Number two dimensions. Left to right, 4. Top, bottom, side, front, back. So there are total 6 faces are there. Number one, which is three-dimensional, 3D, which is 6 faces. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Bottom, top, left to right, and front, back. So there are total 6 faces. Okay. Now third one. What is the area? Area of one face. Already I told you. Which is a rectangle. Yes, each face is a rectangle of cuboid. So each face is a rectangle means what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So that's all. area of each face is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay. Length into breadth. That is over. Now, how many edges are there? How many edges? Bottom edges, bottom edge, top edge, left to right. Total there are 4 edges. So 4 edges have same dimensions. So 4 edges have same dimensions. That means what? Means here you see, what is rectangle? Rectangle contains length and breadth. Up, bottom, top is same for rectangle. Left to right is same for rectangle. So that is why there are totally 4 edges. Those are having same dimensions. That is about this. Okay. Now 5th one. What is total surface area? What is total surface area means what? Here there are total 6 faces are there. For each face, area is length into breadth. So 6 faces means what? Total there are 6 areas. Yes or not? Total surface area equals to 2 into, there are totally 6, length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. That is, so 1, 2, 3 in multiply by 2 you get 6 faces. That is total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but this one. Okay. Next one is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. What is meant by lateral surface area? Is nothing but this is lateral, not total surface area. Only lateral means length plus breadth into height. That's all. 2h into L plus B. H into L plus B area. Lateral means 2 sides. Lateral, 2 sides. That is, this is total surface area. For each face, this one. This is lateral surface. That is the difference between lateral and total. Lateral means we will take only outside, not all the sides, all the edges. We can take only some. Lateral. Laterally, not totally. That is this one. Okay? Volume. Volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height. Okay? So that is volume. Next one is, volume is nothing but length into breadth into height. Okay, now diagonal. Diagonal of cuboid. Root of length square, breadth square, height square. That is about the cuboid. So, diagonal of cuboid, volume of a cuboid. Okay. Now take into cube. Cube. Cube is also a 3-dimensional geometric figure. So I will draw a cube. Okay. Length Okay, this is about cube. Here length, breadth, height. So a cube is a cube is a three-dimensional geometrical figure. Okay, why? Because which contains three dimensions. What are those? Length, breadth, height. So which is three-dimensional geometrical figure. Okay, three-dimensional geometric figure. Okay, three dimensions are there. Those are length and breadth into height. How many faces are there? Top, bottom, top, left or right, front, back. So there are 6 faces. So cube contains 6 faces. One thing here you have to observe is each face edge have same length. So area equals to area of each face is equal to a square, side square. What will be side? That is each face side square. So bottom a square, side square, top side square, left side square, right side square, front side square, back side square. So there are total 6 faces are there. Total surface area is nothing but 6a square. Total surface area of cube is equals to 6a square. 6 into side square. 6 into side square. Six into side square. That is total surface area. So another point is all edges have same length. All edges have same length. That is why this one 6 into side square. This is total surface area. Lateral surface area. Lateral means what? Lateral means we are taking only sides. 4 sides, that's all. So 4a square. 4a square. So next one is volume. Volume of cube equals to side cube. Side cube, that is volume. Okay. Next one is diagonal. Diagonal of cube equals to a root 3. A root 3. So these are the formulas regarding cube. These are the formulas regarding cuboid and cube. Okay, dear friends, this cube and cuboid are three-dimensional geometrical figure. First point. Both are containing 6 faces. But what is the difference between these two means? In cube, all edges have same length, but not in cuboid. Please listen carefully. In cube, all edges have same length, but not in cuboid. That is the difference between cuboid and cube. Okay. All edges means this edges is nothing but a square. Diagonal. This cube comes from square, and cuboid comes from rectangle. Okay. In rectangle, two opposite sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. The cube comes from square. Cuboid comes from rectangle. Please understand this difference between cuboid and cube. Okay, so finally cuboid comes from rectangle and cube comes from square. Okay, that's the difference between those two. Okay, dear friends, now we are doing some problems regarding cube and cuboid. Okay, find the lateral surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of cuboid of length, breadth, height 8, 6 and 3 cm respectively. Also find the diagonal length of cuboid. Okay, simple. So what is cuboid? Cuboid containing 6 faces. Okay, these are 6 faces. What is length? Respectively means length first comes 8 and after that breadth comes 6. What is breadth? This is 6. Height come is 3. Those are lengths, dimensions. Okay. Now formula. What is first we have to find? Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cuboid equals to 2h into L plus B. So 2h into L plus B. Now what is L? 2 into what is h? 3. 8 plus B breadth 6. So 2h into L plus B. Length, breadth, height. Okay. Now 2 into 3 6 into 8 plus 6 14. Okay. Means what? It's 84. Surface area. Area is nothing but square. Centimeter square. That is the answer. This total surface, lateral surface area. Again, want to do total surface area equals to 2 into LB BH plus LH. This is the formula for total surface area. Means what? 2 into length into breadth. Length into breadth. 8 into 6. Breadth into height. 6 into 3. Plus LH. Length into h. 8 into 3. Here you have to observe one thing. Length comes 2 times, breadth comes 2 times, height comes 2 times. That is simple logic. You have to observe at the time of doing the problem. Okay? So 8 6 48. 18 plus 24. How much? 48, 18, 60, 66, 70, 90. Yes? 90 means what? 2 into 90 equals to 180. Area. Nothing but centimeter square. So, total surface area equals to 2 into LB BH LH. LB BH LH. You can do the problem this way. So, this is total surface area of a cuboid. Okay. Now, we want to do about another one is total surface volume. What is volume? Volume equals to length into breadth into height. What is length? 8. What is breadth? 6. What is height? 3. What do you get? 8 6 ja 48. 48 into 3. 144 volume centimeter cube. Volume always considered in cubes. What is going to be centimeter cube, meter cube, whatever it is. Okay, so that is about volume. Now length of diagonal, length of the diagonal equals to root of L square, bit square, height square. This is the formula for diagonal. What L square? 8 square, bit square, 6 square plus 3 square. How much? 8 8 ja 64, 6 is ja 36, 3 is ja 9. 64 plus 36, 100, 109. This is length, means is nothing but centimeter. What are you getting here? Centimeters are there, that is centimeter. Okay. Length will, breadth, height will always consider as centimeter, meter, kilometer, what it is. And area can you consider as centimeter square. Volume can you consider as centimeter cube. That is the difference between these three. Okay, dear friends. In this way you can do the problem. First you can find lateral surface, total surface, volume and diagonal of length. These are the four formulas. Regarding four formulas, this is the problem. Okay. See the problem. Water tank containing edge, water tank edge of 2 meter long. The tank will be covered by square tiles. Tiles of shape as square of 40 centimeter side, excluding the base. So base is not covered by the tiles, means bottom. Bottom side does not covered by the tiles. Okay. Find the cost of tiles to cover the tank and the cost of the 1 dozen tiles equal to 300. So cost of 1 dozen tiles is 300. Cost of tiles, we have to find cost of tiles to cover the tank. So how much cost will be happening to cover the tank without bottom, excluding the bottom. So say take the figure. What is that known? Edge is 2 meter long. Edge is 2 meter long. So okay. So what is the edge now? 2 meter long. 2 meter long means what? Here this edge of cubical tank is 2 meter. Edge of cubical tank equals to 2 meter long. 2 meter. Okay. Now what is surface area? Actually, what is surface area of cube? Surface area of cube equals to 6a square. 6 into side square. Okay. What is side now? 2 meter. 2 meter side. So what do you get? But you are excluding the bottom. That means you have to delete the area of bottom. So by excluding the area of bottom we get 6a square minus a square is equal to 5a square. Okay. So this is surface area of 5 sets, not bottom, which is equals to 200 centimeter. Yes. How many centimeters per meter? 100. So 200 centimeter. Now this is area, that is equals to 5 into a square means side square means what? This is side square. Okay, A square. That means nothing but A. Okay. So 5 into what is A? 200 into 200. A square means A into A. This is surface area. But what is the area of square tiles? Area of square tiles equals to what is area? 40 into 40. 40 into 40. 1600 centimeter square. Why? Because length of tile equals to 40 centimeter. Okay. So 40 into 40 square. What is area of square? Side into side square. So this one 40 into 40. This is area of tiles. This is area of stored surface area. So number of tiles means what? This divided by this. Number of tiles equals to surface area of cube, surface area of cube of the tank divided by area of tiles. So what total surface area? This one 5 into 200 into 200 by divided by what is the area for this one? 1600. Square of tile, area of square tiles, 0 0 cancel, 4 ja 450 ja. Okay, 25 ja. 5 into 25, 125. 125. What is the number of tiles? These are the number of tiles you have to required. Okay. Now we have to find the cost of tiles to cover the tank, excluding the bottom. Okay. What is the cost of how many? Cost of 1 dozen tiles equals to 300 rupees. Therefore, cost of 125 tiles equals to how much? Nothing but 300 by dozen means what? 12 into 125. 12 1 ja 20, 12 2 ja 24, 6 remains, 12 5 ja. What you get is nothing but 25 into 125. Okay, so what do you get? 25 5 ja 125, 25 2 ja 50 62, 25 1 ja 25 6 31. Cost, this is rupees. So to cover the tiles excluding the bottom, the tank will take the cost of 3125 rupees. In this way you can find the cost to cover the tank with the tiles. Okay, dear friends, here you have used the formula as surface area formula excluding the bottom. That's why you are taking 5 into side square, 5 into side square. Okay, dear friends, this is about cuboid and cube. So here we want to know about formulas. What is area? Surface area, lateral surface area, volume, diagonals. So to know about this, we want to know about formulas. Whenever you know formulas, you can do the problems easily. Okay, dear friends, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Matthew and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.